As a machine learning engineer, I'm at the forefront of engineering the future of AI. My focus lies in two critical layers of the AI stack: the compute plus foundation and the model deployment plus inference. In the world of AI, model training is where the magic happens. It's where we teach machines to learn and make predictions. And as a machine learning engineer, I play a crucial role in this process. Armed with a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or a related field, I dive deep into machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. But it doesn't stop there. I also need to have a strong understanding of cloud computing platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP. These platforms provide the infrastructure and resources needed to train models at scale. And that's where my interaction with GPU providers comes into play. You see, GPUs, or graphics processing units, are the powerhouse behind training complex AI models. They provide the computational muscle needed to crunch massive amounts of data. As a machine learning engineer, I work closely with GPU providers to optimize the training process, ensuring maximum efficiency and speed. But it's not just about technical skills. Strong programming and algorithmic skills are essential in this field. I need to be able to write clean, efficient code and design algorithms that can handle vast amounts of data. So, if you're passionate about engineering the future of AI, consider becoming a machine learning engineer. With the right qualifications and skills, you can play a vital role in shaping the AI landscape. Remember, it's not just about the technology. It's about the impact we can make on the world. And as a machine learning engineer, that's what drives me every day.